12:25, and the cool down has occurred across the state, but where skies have actually become mostly clear to clear, we've been warming up nicely. These were all much cooler temperatures earlier this morning. 64 in Houston, 57 in Austin, 45 in Amarillo. What you notice, though, is that even though that front is clear, there's more colder air farther behind the front. A lot of the colder air kind of lingering behind. There was actually almost a secondary front. It's kind of getting washed out now, but this colder air mass is going to continue to work to the south, and so we're really going to feel the cool down. Right now, 70 degrees is not bad at all, but tonight is when things get chilly. Really, the change so far has been a big drop in the humidity, and that's going to set us up for what is going to be a chillier night tonight. We're one of the few places where the clouds haven't completely cleared out. They've thinned out. They were much thicker earlier today. It's a lot of high-level clouds, and that's why we're still continuing to warm up, even though it's not bright sunshine out there. There's enough sunshine coming through to allow us to continue to warm. It's another story over to the east. You can see where more of the strength of this cold front is, where it's producing more showers. Actually, still a little bit of a severe weather threat in southern Alabama into Florida. And then farther to the north, you have snow showers on the cold side of the low pressure system. We won't have to worry anything about that. In fact, we're going to be relatively dry. Again, I think that the high-level cirrus clouds are going to continue to thin, and we'll begin to see more and more of that sunshine coming through as we get into the later afternoon. It's going to take a while for the clouds to completely clear out. Even as we get into early this evening, I think we're going to still have some of those cirrus clouds, so we'll call it mostly clear. But late tonight, I do think we'll have a period where we're going to have completely clear skies. And once our winds die down, as they will this evening, that's going to allow us to get into the mid-40s for early tomorrow morning, significantly colder than where we were earlier this morning. We had a lot of temperatures in the mid-60s, about 20 degrees cooler tomorrow morning. That said, I still think we're going to warm up into the upper 60s for tomorrow afternoon. It's going to be the opposite of today, though. Clouds are going to be increasing through the day. So at noon, still some decent sunshine, but as we get into the later afternoon, yeah, the sky's starting to become overcast again. And eventually, I think there's a chance for some isolated showers, though it's probably going to be pretty late, very late evening, overnight hours. We'll see some showers pop up. Looks like the best chance is probably going to be near the coast. Everybody might have a little bit of a chance, though, and it's not going to be a great chance. You'll be surprised if you don't see rain, but Tuesday night, early Wednesday morning, there is a rain chance there. No more chances of rain today. Again, a gradual thinning out of the clouds. Eventually, we'll call it mostly sunny by very late this afternoon before the sun sets. And temperatures generally in the mid-70s, depending on how quickly those clouds thin out. Some might be a little bit warmer than this, some a little bit cooler, but in general around 75. It's going to stay windy, too, with gusts around 30 miles per hour. Tonight is the chilly night. The winds die down, and with those mostly clear to clear skies, temperatures are going to be right around 45. And low 40s possible for some, maybe out in Starr County, northern Hidalgo County. Notice the cooling trend over the next couple days. We're going to be in the mid-60s on Wednesday. Best chance for rain going to be Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. But we start warming up again. We're going to be in the upper 60s on Thursday, mid-70s on Friday. Still have to watch the timing of this cold front on Saturday. It does look like it's going to trigger some scattered showers. Depending on how early it arrives, we may have to adjust this number on Saturday. It does look like that overall, though, Sunday will be our cooler day and our drier day. I don't think we're going to see a huge change as far as the day part goes. But in general, these temperatures are actually pretty close to normal for this time of year. A normal high for us is in the low 70s, and normal lows are right around 50 degrees. So pretty seasonable weattle overall. We'll have more news after the break.